they are too near or that they want to be left alone is that they slap their tummy. Banana pays no attention to this whatsoever until they get right up into every student's face with their whiskers touching. Now the other thing with banana is they like to make up games all of their own. So we have enrichment and fun time with the school, but the due to celebrate her 50th birthday this Saturday. So if any of you want to come back with your free parties this Saturday, we can have a little birthday celebration for Sheba's 50th. Now the other reason she is really special to us here at the Sanctuary is she was actually rescued by our founder. So a gentleman called a little hunter and into some nice juice for the kids. So I am going to wrap up my talk there, leave you to enjoy the feeding and the interactions that I'll take you through. Out in the wild, and Atlanta in particular has the most impressive whiskers. So the ones just above her eyes are called supraorbital whiskers, and the ones at the side of her nose. And we firmly believe that maybe Atti's whiskers have mystical powers. They're very, very impressive indeed. So Ayla has the slightly thinner and darker face. So Ayla, we didn't actually rescue. She was rescued up in Hunstanton in Norfolk. And unfortunately for her, she had an infection in her front right flipper. It's probably a little bit hard to see from where you are, but she had an infection that went all the way down to the bone. So the vets advised that the best course of action was to actually remove a couple of the digits off of that front right flipper. And that when you finish listening to the talk and the feed, that you head on down to the underwater viewing window,